still looking. Don't know if we got them. They're looking like they're going to try to do a stack. But please bring the jumpers in. Make some noise, you guys. Lance Corporal Danny Kelly, 3 years on the team, 1,000+ jumps. Lance Corporal Nathan Connolly, 2,000+ jumps in 8 years on the team. And our drop zone control members, they are Team Sergeant Major Chris McKinnon and Corporal Dave Wall, his first year on the team. Bring it in, there's the Stars and Stripes. Make some noise as the Red Devil banner comes in on the right side of the crowd. Give them a huge cheer, everybody.
Give me a huge cheer, Lori. Huge cheer. Huge cheer.
High above.
Big cheer, Matt.
4 jumpers. 3 all hooked up in a side-by-side. They have straps between them. There are unbelievable forces trying to pull the outside jumpers away from the center jumper. The free fall photographer in there behind him. This is called canopy relative work. Now it's a down plane. Oh boy, that works. Almost straight down toward the ground. 85, 90 miles an hour. Look at this. Make some noise. Come on, Virginia Beach. This is spectacular. Oh, boy, is this gorgeous. Watch for the break. Center jumper steering the formation. There's the break. Wow, what a spectacular demonstration of canopy relative work. Great stuff. Right over top.
Man, they come in fast.
Tiptoe landings. A quick hook turn from the free fall photographer with a much smaller parachute. Skidding in, uses up a lot of pairs of boots that way.